Ever feel like investing has turned into a circus? 1 minute it's buy this, the next sell everything, and through it all you want is to grow your money without losing your mind. Here's the truth: the people who actually build real wealth don't chase hype. They use a strategy so boring yet so powerful that Wall Street quietly resents how well it works. Today, I'm walking you through the 3-fund portfolio, a setup that gives you global diversification, ultra low cost, and the freedom to finally stop worrying about the market. Stick with me because by the end, you'll see how steady investing could turn into over $600,000. And why most people still manage to mess it up? You might think boring can't beat smart money. Stick around and you'll see why it often does. First, a quick disclaimer. This video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. It is not financial, investment, or tax advice. All tickers and examples are hypothetical and for illustration only. I'm sharing general information and examples, not recommendations tailored to you. Investing involves risk, including possible loss of principal. Past performance does not guarantee future results. Your situation is unique. Always do your own research and consult a qualified financial professional before making any decisions. All right, now that we've cleared that, how do you own the entire world market in just 3 moves? Watch this. Hello fellow compounders, welcome back. If you haven't met me, I'm Dennis Chen, former hedge fund manager, CFA charter holder, and your guide at the Always Be Compounding Club. Here, we believe in investing should be simple, repeatable, and stress-free. And by the way, I host a live coffee with the chief compounder inside our online community. It's your chance to ask anything about growing your wealth. Your first month's coffee is on me. Use the code ONEFREECOFFEE to grab your free pass. So, the 3-fund portfolio sounds easy, but its real strength is deeper than that. Let me show you why. Segment 1. What is the 3-fund portfolio? Imagine owning the entire US stock market, every major international market, a huge basket of high-quality bonds, all with just 3 funds. No guesswork, no jumping in and out, no constantly wondering if you chose right. Jack Bogle, the founder of Vanguard, popularized this, and it stood the test of time. The 3 funds are the US Total Stock Market Fund, the International Stock Market Fund, and the Total Bond Market Fund. Sounds too simple? Hang on, because what's inside each of these and how they work together is where things get interesting. Segment 2, the 3 core components. 1, US Total Stock Market Fund. Own thousands of companies, Apple, Microsoft, Nvidia, Meta, plus tons you've never heard of, all powering the economy. Here are the examples of funds that you could use for this. VTI from Vanguard and SCHB from Schwab. Fees so low, around 0.3% or 3 basis points, you'd hardly notice them. 2, the International Stock Market Fund. Because the US isn't the only growth engine, this covers Europe, Asia, emerging markets like India and Brazil. Examples of these funds are VXUS from Vanguard and IXUS from iShares. Again, thousands of companies, one low-cost ETF. The fees are around 0.05% for Vanguard's ETF and 0.07% for iShares ETF. And 3, the Total Bond Market Fund, your portfolio's seatbelt. When stocks sig, bonds often sag, providing income and stability when markets get rocky. Examples of these funds are BND from Vanguard and AGG from iShares. Again, thousands of bonds, one low-cost ETF with fees around 0.03%, 3 basis points. But the real magic, it's not each fund alone. It's what they do together. So let's explore. Segment 3, why this works. Here's the secret sauce. Diversification, spread across thousands of stocks and global markets. Low cost, fees are kept so low that your money earns, not the fund managers. Tax efficiency, ETFs tend to pass fewer distributions. Easy rebalancing, once a year, reset to your original mix. Less stress, you stop obsessing over headlines. It's like setting your investments on autopilot and letting time do the heavy lifting. Curious what that looks like in real numbers? Let's build an example portfolio. Segment 4, example portfolio plus 20-year historical performance. Let's say you're 35, with decades ahead of you to invest. One possible mix could be 60% in US stocks via VTI, 20% international stocks in VXUS, and 20% bonds in BND. That setup gives you exposure to over 10,000 companies worldwide, plus a bond cushion for stability. So how has a portfolio like this actually performed over time? According to a 20-year backtest from Portfolio Visualizer covering January 2005 through January 2025, with annual rebalancing and dividends reinvested, the results are impressive. CAGR, roughly 8% per year. Annual volatility, about 11%. Max drawdown, minus 43% during the 2008 financial crisis. The best year was 26% in 2009, and the worst year was minus 30% in 2008. Think about that. Even after the worst market crash in modern history, this simple portfolio still delivered strong, consistent returns for patient investors. But maybe you're not 35. What if you're just a few years from retirement? Let's talk about how allocations shift depending on your stage of life. Segment 5, allocations by life stage. Here are some life stage breakdown examples. Aggressive, 25 to 40-year-old, 60% US, 30% international, and 10% bonds. Balance, 40 to 55, 50% US, 20% international equities, and 30% bonds. Conservative, 55 or older, 35% US, 15% international, and 15% bonds. So how do you actually set up this in real life, even if you've never bought an ETF before? Keep watching. Segment 6, how to set this up. Here's your step-by-step, even if you've never done this. 1. Open a brokerage account with Vanguard, Fidelity, Schwab, etc. 2. Search for VTI, VXUS, VND. 3. Buy at your target percentages. And 4. Rebalance annually. That's your entire investing system. You might be thinking, can I add something extra? You can. It's called the satellite. But stay with me for the rules. Segment 7, adding satellites. Once your core is locked in, that's a 3-fund portfolio, hypothetically, you could add satellite positions. For example, SCHD for dividend growth, QQQM for tech exposure, or theme ETFs you believe in. For example, GRNY, the Granny Shots ETF, which holds a curated list of stocks with strong buy ratings from top institutional research desk. This list is developed by Fundstrat's Tom Lee, that's a Granny Shots ETF, who's known for identifying high conviction ideas favored by multiple analysts across Wall Street. Just don't let the satellites overpower your core. And here's why having a strong core keeps you sane when markets get crazy. Segment 8, the behavioral advantage. When markets crash, you don't panic sell your Tesla or Apple because you don't own just one company. You own everything. That mindset shift makes all the difference. It helps you stay invested too long, and that's what builds wealth. Now, the part that everyone loves, the compounding math. Here's how it works. Segment 9, the compounding payoff. Hypothetically, if you invested just $500 a month over 30 years at a modest 7% return, you would end up with over $600,000. Start earlier or with a bigger contribution, and that number jumps even more. So here's your challenge. How soon can you start? Let's sum it up. The 3-fund portfolio gives you global diversification, ultra low fees, and peace of mind. The earlier you start, the more you will be able to compound. If you found this lesson valuable and you'd like to go deeper, join me in the Always Be Compounding online community. It's where serious but friendly investors hang out, swap ideas, and sharpen their process. Every month, I host live sessions called Coffee with the Chief Compounder. It's a relaxed Q&A session where you can bring your own portfolio questions, see real case studies, and learn alongside others who are just as committed to compounding as you are. Think of it as your investing coffee break. But instead of small talk, we're focused on building wealth together. Use the code ONEFREECOFFEE to get the first month of the Coffee with the Chief Compounder for free. Remember, the key to building wealth is to always be compounding. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Take care.